Well, okay, guys. That other video had a ghost shot again. So good. So you guys should probably get this. It has no sugar and no calories. So let's just finish on with the bird and with the feathers. So early on, the gravy. Just kidding, no. That you guys probably hate my second video. That that unlikely that you're gonna guys be able to see my grandparents, and then you guys will. So we're gonna go to San Diego and go eat and all that stuff. But like when I'm like done eating, then I'll go live again. So then. Almost on the list. I just need one last feather, and then I'm done. I'm not done, but like I gotta name my bird, and then that's all. And then I have to glue the feathers on, and then I'm done. Yeah. Oh. Things that I've got no more. So this video already has okay, so this is the bird. Sorry, I didn't tell you guys. It's the bird. The bird. The bird is a word. Sorry, that I watch Family Guy too much, so the bird is a word. The bird. The bird is a word. The bird is a word. Bird is a word. He's like my little puppet. Ain't they right? Yeah, she speaks. Okay, so I gotta. Oh gosh, I already lose them already. I lost them. They must have put them on the chair. I cannot find them. Underneath something. Don't know where they are. There's a pile. Where the heck are they? Okay guys, I found them. They were under this guy's foot, like right here. There's a sticky thing right there, so I lost one. Like, no, I just so the bird's almost done. So yeah. I had to scream. Bird is a word. Got a bird. Bird is a word. There's a feather. There's one feather. Still have 2 more to go. Yeah, Mom? Okay. Yeah. That's my mom.